Look, I'm gonna keep it straightforward with you. I'm gonna keep it super blunt. If you clicked on this video, chances are you're in your teens or you're rolling into your 20s, or maybe you are into your 20s. What you need to understand is that every single day, day in and day out, you should be doing certain things that is gonna set you up for success. Yo, I'm speaking from personal experience here. Every single day, there are certain things that have completely changed the course of my life and have helped me become more and more successful every day. So today, boys, I'm gonna show you the 6 things that I do daily, religiously, that I want you to start doing as well. Let's hop into it. 1, write your ideas down. Look, I have a lot of notebooks, believe it or not, but there's a specific notebook. I call it my little black book. I showed it to you guys before. This is my idea book. Everybody has great ideas. Every single person watching this video right now has great ideas. The problem is that most of you probably forget about them. See, every single genius idea that I have, or at least that I think is genius, I write it down. And then I come back and expand on it whenever I have more time. The point is that I have a book concentrated with ideas. I even wrote a quote on the back and I dated it. And I'm predicting that this book is what's gonna make me a billionaire. An idea out of this book will take me to my ludicrous goal that I have. And if I'm right, thank God I'm recording this video, because I will reference back to this video and it'll be like a great time capsule and also a proof of concept that everyone has great ideas, including you. Number 2, you need to start going to the gym daily. Let me correct myself. You don't actually have to step inside a gym, but you should do some sort of physical activity, whether that's going out for a walk, a hike, going on your bike, playing basketball, picking up a combat sport, anything physical other than just sitting down all day in front of a computer or laying in bed. You don't understand how important your personal health is to your mind. What you gotta understand is that every time you do a physical activity, it relieves your stress. It also builds up your confidence. It's also like a cloud defogger. So when you're feeling really conflicted, going to the gym or doing something physical gets your mind off of all that stress, all that fog, and now you can think clearly, more creatively, actually problem solve. I fell in love with the gym really early on, in my early teens, because I saw my dad do it. And that single-handedly has been the best thing that's happened to me and that I still do religiously every single day. Number 3, you need to start taking multivitamins. See, like I said, your health is important. When you start taking care of your health, it affects everything from your confidence to your ability to problem solve, to your libido and your sex drive and your testosterone. Everything is affected by how healthy your body is. Your body is a machine, and most of you are probably not feeding your machine what it needs. See, your body needs certain nutrients, certain vitamins, certain minerals, certain amino acids, or all this stuff that you're probably not feeding it through your regular diet, and that's because we're all busy. So what I did very early on is I started supplementing and adding a multivitamin to my daily routine. And see, our sponsor Ritual makes it easy for you, where Ritual not only delivers the vitamins to your door every time you need it, but also they cater vitamins to your specific demographic. So if you're in your teens, they have multivitamins you should be taking every day for your teens that your body requires at this stage in life. Once you're 18 and above, that you're a man, then they have vitamins for that 18 plus category. Or if you're watching this and you're 50 plus, Ritual has a category for you as well, where they're giving you the vitamins and minerals that you need at your current stage to fuel your body with the premium ingredients that their lab and their scientists have developed. See, this isn't some sort of cookie cutter multivitamin. Instead, they're catering to your specific demographic, to your specific age group, and filling in the gaps that you probably have in your diet. And that's exactly why I take Ritual. And what I like about Ritual is that they're transparent, both in their branding and packaging and also in the products themselves. See, they're traceable. You can literally go to ritual.com right now. There's going to be a link down below, and you can check exactly all the ingredients that are going to be in your multivitamin, and then why they're in there and what they'll do for you. You'll also be able to trace them and see where they're sourcing these ingredients. See, this is why I'm saying they're completely transparent, and that's why it's the multivitamin that I always tend to gravitate to, not to mention that I really like the branding. Like, the branding is so clean, everything from the packaging to the little capsule itself, where you can see the ingredients inside. It's also a very easy capsule to consume, which leaves a nice minty taste every time you take it in the mornings. And they're also delayed release capsules, which not only do they taste good, but basically they release in your stomach in less sensitive areas. Boys, I'm telling you, taking a multivitamin every day, this is a standard. You're gonna have to go to Ritual. If you guys click the link down below for the first 3 months and use code TMF10, you're gonna get 10% off your order, and just see why this is so good. After those 3 months, you're gonna see an immediate difference that's gonna do to your life, adding that one single habit to your daily routine. Number 4, I'm gonna need you to start reading. Look, I know you hate school, but you're gonna start reading topics you actually like. I cannot expand, bro, I don't even know how many times I've told you this already. Reading just blows your creativity up. It shows you a whole new world of experiences. So whenever you do have those creative ideas that you write down, a lot of times executing them can be tough. Well, when you read, you're able to learn more ideas through somebody else that can further help you expand on the ideas that you're building on. See, every single habit that you do in your day matters, and it's all connected. This is why these habits that I'm giving you are the habits that I've implemented in my life that I'm telling you, they've affected every single action I've taken and have brought me to my success now, and is gonna further help me in the future. Number 5, do. See, this is when you execute. See, everybody has genius ideas. I really think almost everybody has great ideas. Not everybody can execute. See, and we already are jotting down the great ideas. You're also already building and working on your health that's gonna help clear up the mind. You're also expanding the knowledge on your mind because you're reading. So we know all that. So your next and 5th step, you're gonna have to start doing. Yo, you are young right now. You have time. The compound of time, you have that compound time effect on your favor. That is leverage that you can use where you need to start doing now so you can start reaping and seeing those benefits when you're 25, 30, 35, 40, because you start today. Like I mentioned, everybody has great ideas. Nobody wants to execute. Nobody wants to put in the work. So if you've been looking for a sign of when you should start on that great idea or when you should start practicing for XYZ reason, this is your sign. Today's when you start, and you start doing and putting into action. Which takes us on to the 6th and final thing, and it's invest. Look, I'm not gonna pump up any specific crypto or stock because I'm not a financial advisor, but what I will pump up is the idea of investing. Boys, we are so young. See, this is the time to start. You buy and hold today. When you're 30, 35, 40, you're gonna be thanking me because that time and that compound effect, that's when it's gonna kick in. What you don't wanna do is be day trading in and out. Let me put myself as an example. See, I bought crypto back in 2016, 2017. I had a pretty big portfolio. It was about 50K, and that was spread across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all the coins that were popular at the time. There was a big boom at the end of 2017. I was rocking and rolling, and then all of a sudden you get that crash. Your boy, he paper-handed, I panicked, I pulled out my money. I actually pulled out at a loss. Today, that portfolio that I had would be sitting somewhere around $650,000 if only I would have bought and hold. So use your boy as an example. Start investing today. Buy and hold, and leverage that compounded time that you have working in your favor. So that's it for me today, boys. Those are 6 things that I'm doing right now in my 20s that I want you to start doing, because I promise you, they're gonna change your life. That's it for me today. See you next time.